Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen. This is Robin Cook and what a fun time we're going to have today making this colorful cabbage salad. So a lot of these ingredients are from the farmer's market that I just got and they are going to be so beautiful and delicious and nutritious. So you're going to need 3 cups of chopped cabbage. So I like to thinly slice mine and I use 3 different types of cruciferous vegetables or cabbages in this salad. So you can do all one type or you can do multiple. So I did a cup of just regular green cabbage thinly sliced. I did 1 cup of Napa cabbage here, mostly just the leafy part, but you can use the whole part of the Napa cabbage. So thinly sliced that, about 1 cup. Then I also did 1 cup of Baby Bok Choy. So again, slice it thinly, add it all to a big measuring dish. So I have that here. I also have between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of organic sliced cilantro in here. Wonderful added flavor and nutrition. Also, I have 1/4 cup of purple daikon radish here. Now this is optional. You could do regular radish. You could use, zucchini or something instead if you'd rather, but we have some purple color in here as well. Then I also have 1 to 2 little bell peppers I've just sliced that we're going to add into this. I have about 1/2 cup of sugar snap peas, again just sliced up. We also are going to be making a dressing for this colorful cabbage salad here. So here's what you're going to need to add the dressing. So we have 2 tablespoons of the heavenly honey ginger balsamic, so wonderful flavor in that. So 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. You can do more if you would like. And then also we're going to do 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. So whisk that together along with 1/2 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. You could do a little bit less or more if you wanted to. So we have our fresh ginger here, which again is great for digestion, wonderful antioxidants as well. So we are going to add our little snap peas and our bell pepper as we mentioned to this. Then I also found the cutest little baby carrot. Isn't that adorable? And so I am going to use a little vegetable peeler to wisp this into our salad. Ooh, this is a surprise carrot. It's yellow on the middle. Sometimes they're purple on the inside, but this one is yellow. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I love that. So many fun surprises at the farmer's market, right? So all the different nutrients are going to play together in this colorful cabbage salad. Alright, so now we're just going to toss the salad with our little vinaigrette that we've made here. Very good. Feel free to tailor this to your liking. If you want to add a little pepper to that, you certainly could. Oh, very, very nice. So we're just tossing this all together. Oh, I already smell that honey ginger balsamic. Very, very good. If you wanted to make the dressing creamier, you could even play around with adding a little bit of sunflower butter that's unsweetened. You could play around with that too. Oh, this is so lovely. All right, and then if you have a nice cabbage leaf from one of the outer leaves of your regular green cabbage, you can lay that out and use that as like a serving bowl. So that's what we're gonna do today, is we're just going to plate our cabbage salad in here. And then let's put a little bit extra of this pretty yellow carrot on top, just as a little garnish. Get some yellow color on there. Oh, come on, little guy. Sometimes it doesn't want to come out, does it? There we go. So there we have our colorful cabbage salad. Enjoy. God bless you, and we will see you again soon in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.